Hello everyone, and in this video I'll guide you through the process of how to accept a sponsor request on Cash App. But first please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. To begin, open the Cash App on your mobile device. Navigate to the home screen and tap on the activity icon located in the bottom right corner. Next, select View and then Accept button in the activity screen located in the Request for Approval section. Once you're on this screen, take a moment to review the terms and conditions, then proceed to tap Approve at the bottom. If your account is not verified, Cash App will prompt you to complete the verification process by providing your legal name and last name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Once you have successfully approved the sponsorship request, you'll gain the ability to monitor the sponsored account's activity in real time through your Cash App. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.